some heavy duty cables. I will be putting on a new auto install. That was the package that came in. And these are glorious. Very high quality with a low price. Value is what I like to call that. But you have your aluminum tubing there, nice plastic or rubber sheathing, and I don't know if you're supposed to do that. I wouldn't do it. Okay, it's nice. It'll work. Just did a review on this actually. Does it work? Success. Smooth, just like butter. It's in. Again, Mike with Mad by Design. If you enjoyed this, please consider checking out the YouTube. Thanks.